RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got the D42 with me today. Thought I would do some ice drifting here on the little frozen pond that I found in the woods here. I think that might be some fun. See how this thing handles the ice, if it gets any traction at all or just slides around. Also got this with me, the 124-27 or something. Yeah. So this was actually a lot more fun than I expected it to be. Ooh, bumpy ice. It's so scale. Whoop! No! It looks so cool. A little terrified that the suspension arms will crack in the cold though, when I drive over bumps like that. I get some decent grip and some nice drifts going. I mean, who needs drift tires when you got ice, right? Oh yeah. So I get some decent traction. Can build up some speed and get some nice slides. Ooh. But it's hard to get a more controlled drift with it for a longer period. But it looks kind of cool. And regardless how it looks, it's a lot of fun. So hope some of you at least will enjoy this video. So I'm driving it in the top speed setting with maximum amount of steering. Full throttle. See here. Oop. Let's see if I can get some speed here. Yeah. And a nice little slide. Yeah. There's some bumps in the ice over there as well. Get a little jump going. Let's try. Whoop. Going around the little island. Actually getting quite a bit of a decent runtime on the stock battery, considering the cold and that I basically go full throttle all the time. Gonna try to get some cool shots because I got my gimbal with me, and try to get down on same level as the truck and see if I can get some cool drifting shots. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. As always, there's links down below if you want to pick one of these up. Great fun, amazing scale. And don't forget to subscribe as well.